It's like I never left. I'm feeling so sentimental that I'm gonna leave in 2 weeks, but I just have to enjoy. Here are the bikes. Plan the bike later. My tita said the people stole the bikes, but good thing they didn't steal the cute bikes. Like the pink bike and the yellow bike is here. I usually use the yellow one.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn left.
Where are we going? Rodeo 39. Look at that.
At the lights,
camera.
turn left onto
Hey!
Junipero.
Hi! Oh my gosh, is that all the yoga people?
Yeah, I told you, Saturdays.
I would not want to go there. So many.
Hello, it's fun. Ito pa, you have, ang tawag dito?
I'm excited. We just got back from the airport and then I took a bath. I changed. Now we're going to Rodeo 39 to eat food. So it's just like an Asian place.
A mixture, yeah. There's Pinoy, there's mixture. Japanese, Vietnamese, Lao cuisine.
I've been craving this Hainanese chicken that's here. Maybe I'll eat it tomorrow. I'm like craving. I don't know, I was like dreaming of it.
Kakainin mo siya. Oh.
Yeah.
Pagbalik natin, we're gonna pass by, okay?
Okay. And then like we can eat it for dinner.
Yeah. I have leftovers, so don't worry.
The lighting is really nice. So you like the fries the most? Butter chicken with rice and then French fries. And what's that?
Shrimp and pork, crepe, whatever.
Like Vietnamese. Like pork belly, fries. Let's see.
Wala nang sauce to? It needs sauce. Ito yung sauce na siguro. Please tell me it's not. Oh, do you want spicy stuff?
It's spilled.
Huh? You want it?
They have like strawberry bits in it as well. And the flour is so cute.
I want something sweet.
Try this. I'm so tired. The jet lag hit me all at once in the car. So I didn't vlog anymore after eating. We went to Marshall's to look for Glossier products. They didn't have this time. That's where my mom bought me last time though. She bought me like eyeshadow and stuff. Sadly this done. Now I'm going to Ulta because I want to see the Ariana Grande perfume. Oh yeah, ranting. So my Dyson doesn't work here because it has different voltage and now my hair is so ugly. Like I hate it. But then my tita said she's gonna lend me her Revlon brush thing. And also my nail broke. Not a good day for me today. I legit can't smell it.
This one. Di mo maamoy? Ito buy it.
No, but I like it. But then I don't know why I can't smell it now.
Guess what? Ito gawin natin. You bring it home, just put a lot, okay? Mod vanilla.
Parang this smells like an old person, does it?
Wait, ito gusto ko to. Hold on.
I like vanilla person.
Wait, you gotta put the name. That is Adriana Grande. Okay. Then bring it home. And then you...
Okay, now I'm gonna bike to this juice place that I always go to because there's a nice green wall. I have to take photos there. I'm manifesting no people parked there right now because I need space to take photos. Okay, Okay, I'm here at the wall where I usually take pictures. There are cars parked here, but there's space no one to put my tripod. So, over here. I don't know. I hope I don't get made fun of. Help. I just left Long Beach. Now I'm on the way to OC to meet Tristan. I don't know if I don't think I've ever showed her last year when I went to OC last year. So, makeup, I just did it in the car.
I have a new job as a marketing manager, and that one's also remote, so. She didn't stay with us for.
You're sweating it all off. So, I just dropped off Tristan in her car, and then she dropped me off in the lobby when we went up. I'm so tired. I was just shy to vlog with her because I'm not super close to her, but she is really nice. So I met her because she's a cousin of my close friend from college, and then I met up with that friend last year here in Orange County, and then I met up with like all of his cousins, and she was one of them, and she's really nice. And yeah, we bonded over stuff. So I'm in my apartment now. I'm gonna give you a room tour for the next video. I actually don't know what's gonna go first, this one or this vlog or the one after, because I have a backing vlog, and then I have, yeah, I think I should do the apartment tour later. I don't know. Okay, here's my dinner.
Just take a picture for me.
And then the onion, sometimes you can request it to be grilled.
Oh, okay. I don't
Instead of fresh. Dapat pinag-grill natin. Certain units.
We're at Earth's Cafe. Green tea boba.
Senior.
I didn't vlog earlier because I was so sleepy and I was like kind of annoyed, but I'll explain later. Now we're in Laguna Beach. We're gonna try to take pictures.
Maybe you just hold.
Like we're at the heater area, so it's kind of warm.
Oh, there's your cake.
Haha, cold. She's cold.
It's cold outside. And when you walk on my life.
Take a picture. Sunset pic of what? The sunset or?
She ain't got